Hey, what's up, guys? Justin with Tier 1 Gear and EDC Reviews. Today we're going to take a quick look at the new Finch Holiday. Now, this thing just landed on my doorstep about 30 minutes ago, but I could not help myself. I had to rip the box open right then and get it in my hands as fast as possible. I just couldn't help it. I'm sorry. But I probably should have filmed all that, but this thing is just absolutely awesome. Now, the action on it right off the bat is really smooth. I mean, this thing will drop shut, no problem. It is a guillotine 100%, and I absolutely love that about it. Now, titanium bolsters, micarta inlays, this sapphire Finch logo, which glows in the dark, that is super cool. Now, the pocket clip I noticed was perfect. I mean, you can't ask for a better clip than that. It's about as deep carry as you can get the way it's mounted, but the thing is, there's no obstructions and it's not going to tear up your pocket as much digging it in and out, you know. Now, it does have this little bolster lock feature, which is, basically the lock bar hidden behind the scales, but that makes for an awesome knife in my opinion, because a lot of times, which I've mentioned a million times over in my videos, which is my biggest pet peeve, so go figure. But the thing is, it keeps your finger off that lock bar when deploying the knife, so it's not going to fail on you or get hung up, or you're not going to come to an all stop or anything like that. Now, one thing about it, even though it has this somewhat square kind of look, this thing has excellent ergos, and that's mostly because Finch does this little thing with their flipper tab where they cut it at a certain angle and add jimping on the bottom. It basically makes for a little choil. Now, to me, that is just freaking awesome, and I don't know, there's just something about this knife that just, I don't know, it's a kind of a mystique to it, I guess. But it is as nice as it looks, and I gotta admit, Finch definitely impressed me with this one. Anyway, stay tuned for the full review, which I will be doing pretty soon. And I do have a giveaway I'm going to be doing pretty soon as well, so keep an eye out for that. Anyway, if you haven't subscribed yet, please do that right now. Hit that like button and stay tuned for the next one. Later, guys.